Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how we make the chicken sweet corn soup, which is one of the very popular dishes in the restaurant, okay? But today I'm going to cook 3 serve. What I need, green corn, somewhere around 200 grams of chicken, potato starch, which mixed with water like this. And for 3 serve, what we need is just 1.5 teaspoon of MSG, about 1/4 of teaspoon of salt and sugar. You crack 1 egg and mix it properly, okay? Like this. Then we start to boil the chicken. Turn on the heat so until it's nearly boiled so we can put in the chicken. And let it boil first. We put it until cool, okay? Make it until it's cool. Then we can leave it out and cut it into pieces. Now see, the chicken is cooked already, so we turn off the heat and take out the chicken. And the stock that we cook for the chicken, we leave it there. We have to use it as a chicken soup, okay? That is why we cook the chicken corn soup. We need a soup, so this is the one we use. So now look, we try to cut the chicken into pieces, okay? Just cut it into small. So now we put it back into the chicken stock that we have been used. Okay, put it in. Corn. This one is cream corn, alright? For 1 serve, what we need is 3 spoons. So here is 3 serve. So what we need is 9 spoons. 8, 9. Okay. Now we turn on the heat again. Then put in the MSG, sugar, salt, mix it up. We put on a high heat, okay, make it cook, okay? We put in the magic powder. Break it, okay, mix up, make sure you mix with water, everything already. Put in gently, okay? And stir it. Not too much because this one may going to make the soup sticky. So we are cooking the soup. So the soup should be a little bit watery, but not too sticky, okay? So make sure don't put in too much. And make sure you stir it all the time, otherwise when this potato starch is thick down on the wok or the pot, it's stuck there already. Now lower down a little bit the heat. It's going to cook, okay, going to boil. So now you can see if it is too watery like this, you can add in more starch. If it's enough, so that's it, okay? Be careful, don't just pour it in, just little bit by little bit, okay? And stir it also. Okay, now it's fine. Do you see it now? You see it? It's good now, okay? Turn off the heat. Put in the eggs. We don't want the eggs to be cooked like like into pieces or whatever. This one it will be nice. You just put in gently and make it nice. don't cook the egg. Very slowly. Okay, that is enough already. Now, just now I say you turn on the heat and then put in the eggs. Now, how about if we put on the heat and then we put in the eggs, what happens? Look here. Now, when we put in the egg like this, that means it's boiling egg now. So see what is the difference now. Now look here. This one is the one that I cooked. When I put in the eggs, I turn off the heat. Okay? This one is without cooking. This one, the heat still on. Now see what is the difference. This one, I cooked it without the heat. Okay? I turn off the heat and put in the egg. Now, see the eggs? Very smooth. Nice and smooth. This one, I cook the egg with the heat on. Now see what happened. See the eggs? It's overcooked. That's not what I want, okay? So, happy now? You can do it. I can do it, you can do it. Okay? See you next time. Bye.